Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from your video using the InShot app. Whether it's a random person in the background or an object you don't want, I will walk you through a quick and easy way to clean up your footage. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of video. Tap on it and add the video that you want to edit. Now to remove the object, here are a lot of toolbars. Now scroll to your right until you find the option of cutout. Here you can find the option of cutout. Now simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of cutout once again. Now tap on it once again. Now you can see the other objects has been cut out from the video completely. And that's how you remove unwanted objects from a video using InShot. It's a super simple trick to clean up your footage and make your videos look more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.